Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog at River Special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So it's early morning, and as you can see, my guys, that's my mom over there. So technically, guys, today I want to give you a quick adventure from my home here up to the next destination. So actually right now, guys, it's early morning over here. So I have already wake up from my house right now, and technically I was taking shower outside, and I come to organize I myself. So anyway, guys, on today's videos are very special, and I want to say thank you so much for clicking this vlog. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel for the first time you're watching this vlog, guys, please subscribe, share my videos to your family, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And in case, guys, you meet my video with any ads, don't skip ads, guys. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here. So anyway, guys, today's videos, it depends where I'm heading to, but it's good, guys, when my family puts something on the table, and other family doesn't put something on table or food on table. So today I'm going to make a huge role model for the next family. And if you're watching my recent videos, you will see there is one couple which they're living a hard life. But guys, I want to say sorry for mentioning that. So I'm going to surprise that kid. There's a time I was telling you, oh guys, on Christmas season I'm going to surprise him. And right now I want to take my breakfast. After that you will see, guys, so I'm heading to. Guys, drop on the comment section, guys, am I doing the right thing? So when maybe I make some promise to somebody else, I must take action. So let's see. Let's see. Hey guys, it's early morning, and over here is my shirt. I love this shirt. Oh, not heavy this shirt. It's lighter, guys. And over here we have my friend. Bonnie.
Yes, how are you?
Guys, I'm good. He was my classmate in primary school. I'm telling you, guys. And today, hi, greet my people.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, I'm so happy, and I'm feel happy, my friend. And I'm just saying that it is a very nice day for us for this morning, and I thank God for my being here. It is so good and it's so fine.
Yeah, guys.
Thank
so
you, my friend.
I'm telling you, guys, the house that are receiving vista every time, every single minute, it's a blessed family. So right now, we're taking breakfast. You enjoy. Right. Yesterday I had on the comment section, don't tie to your Bruno like a short chain. I'm telling you, guys, this chain is too long. Look, it's too long from here. But Bruno, it's somehow like crazy. It's somehow like crazy. It rotate until the chain come small. Look, what's up? But guys, I'm planning to make the kennel of my puppy, guys. I'm planning. I think by January I'll settle down and construct a kennel for my puppy, guys. And it's growing good, big. Say hello. I love the dog, man. Look. Oh, well, guys, inside here we have one and only who. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister, guys. Yes, Mama Tune. She was taking breakfast inside here, and my mama prepared the breakfast. They prepared like milk tea. Simama huko. Twende nje huko simama. Wow, guys. It reminded me 2023 Christmas season. I buy my sister this clothes. Hauna koti? Nice clothes. Yeah? How vai? Say subscribe to my brother. Toa mkono.
Subscribe my brother.
Sema subscribe.
Subscribe
To Hello Baby.
to Hello Baby.
Yeah, guys, that's my little sister. And right now, like in terms of maybe buying her some clothes, no business with her, because you watch my video, I bought her nice clothes, shoes, and whatever, even some you know, those hair for the ladies, like you call beard. I don't know, but I will see. On that day, I will take her to the salonist to make the hair. Yeah, that's my big plan. I born and wow, yeah. Then Dubai. So they want to wear that coat, guys. I'm asking my sister, where is your coat? Mama, say hello.
Hello.
That's my mama. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, guys, you heard from my mom, and they were in harsh condition. They want to go to church right now, and for me, I'm going to support that kid. And on Christmas Day, which is on next week, on Wednesday, on Christmas, it's next week. Next week on Wednesday, I'll take that family to the hotel. I buy them food, and right now, I just work on Baba. Yeah. And on that day, when the Christmas, I think it's on next week on Wednesday, guys. So I will take them to the hotel. They eat good, because I asked the husband, am I going to buy you food to cook? They told me, no, we can't cook. So rather you take us to hotel. So today I'm going to make the shopping for the kids. I think both of kids. And then on Wednesday, next week, by God's grace, I'll take them to the hotel. They can enjoy, they can eat good. That is it, guys. For me, I'm done with my free heart, you know. I feel so bad. Maybe when my family put something on table, and we have one or two family doesn't put something on table. So like for me, I want to do a huge role model to other families. So guys, if you're watching these videos, you see where I'm heading to. Yeah. So right now you wear a good coat. Hey, my sister to the world. Guys, my mama, she was so blessed to have a daughter. And she was very genius, guys. Look, she knows how to type. And by January, I will pay her the school fees for the first time with my brother. You know, that being said, so the money, my mama keep the money, and also my second brother. Okay. And my second brother, I'll pay him the rent next year, 2025, by January. You will see, guys, the video. Actually, the good thing about me, no more hide on camera. Wow. Hey. Say hello.
Hello.
That's our third born brother. So actually, I have some special gift for you.
Yes.
You wait. I don't want to mention. Your day is coming. I think on Monday or Tuesday, you'll get the gift. I'm telling you. Because, guys, he was helping me a lot here and there. Like, constructing that veranda, painting. Like, I'm going to Border Town. I left him to paint, and I showed him. And he was very calm brother. So, he takes things serious. So, he wear the shoes. So, you want to go to church?
Yes.
Well, guys, if you are Roman Catholic, you know how maybe the Sunday school, you are the Sunday school, or you are youth. You know the youth, how they assist maybe assist the priest to serve in front of maybe of the church members and all stuff. Wow, he was the youngest of them, and I'm so grateful. Guys, I will escort them to church, and then after that, I'll take you to that family, because today it's on a Sunday morning, guys. I take my motorbike, and I feel take the car wash, guys. Oh. Wow, let me take you outside. I'm heading this way, guys. So you see, even here my brother helped me make this stuff. Guys, I'm telling you, my mason who made this stuff, he made on credit, but I supposed to pay him money, so I think he was right there. The first day I pay him money. The second day I didn't have money, so I told him, you work, when I get money I will pay you. So guys, I supposed to pay people's money. He was a nice mason to me. He worked for me for free when I doesn't have money, so I supposed to give him $10 right now. He met me on the way, guys, and it's a blessed day, so you will see him on my video, guys. Say hello.
Hello.
Guys, this was my mason who was working on that, I wanna call that house bulletproof house, because on the veranda he make around my brother. So I supposed to pay him money on today. I promised him yesterday. He came yesterday, but I didn't have the money. I told him maybe on Sunday you just come. So I supposed to give him $10 for the work that he done for me. Sometimes, guys, he done for me first. I think first day he done for me some work, I pay him money. Second day I told him I didn't have money, so he understand me, and I told him when I get money soon I'll pay you. So I supposed to pay him money. Si unaweza nikulipa haki yako.
Tutakutana na wazazi gani
You know me, guys, when I left home, maybe they meet me at night time, so I told him let me pay him money right now. So come on. So I supposed to pay him money, guys, you know, as long as he understand me on a situation when I didn't have money. So he was the one who worked here, you see. First day he took around the bricks, arranging them, and second day plastering, putting this cement here. And I love the fact I didn't tell him to put a smooth one. I don't like rough. So to prevent maybe dewa manche nguchunchaka kuya shida ni gani
sasa hii kutija kauka yani simeti tarakauka
ni kinyigit. Yeah, guys, I'm telling him I see some wetness here. You can define it between here and here. So he told me the cement just like it's a kind of maybe like melting, you know, compressing, like to be dry. When it's dry, this place will be okay. So he was working with my brother, guys. I'm telling you, if you're watching my videos, you will see. Okay, let me bring you for man. I wanna. Oh. Sadaka. Sadaka inaitwaje kwa Kiingereza? Yenko mahirande. Tegorat. Ngonte kana murusongo. Yenko mahirande, guys. As my mom, she have already prepared herself and my brother and sisters, so I'm supposed to take them to church. Whoa. Guys, it is what it is. So first, let me pay that. Let me pay my mason the money, and we'll see how it goes. Guys, on my hand, I have 10 USD Kenyan 10 USD. So these are 1,000 money, 1,000 Kenyan money. So this is how it looks like. If maybe in case you're new here and you want to know the man of Kenya, this is how it looks like. 1,000 Kenyan money, and when you convert, that's 10 USD and some coins for my brother. What's up? I'm telling you guys, Bruno doesn't like anybody to come here. If you don't know you. Wow, guys. I pay him money, guys. Aya, tayo umra.
Asante mo.
Aya. Yeah?
Chinaronche chisa kwa kento kera kwe.
Nacho taso tanga hano nimbe. Usura mandas. Kwa lazima murusi chino tikanisi.
Kwano mairisi mandagara.
Magiging tarangere.
Tara tambi hano nkoro.
Kwanta ramane ke para jara rigis ndamu ngi. Nkarangire kamutana musini kanisi kanisi.
Oh guys, so for now let me wear the jacket, and because I want to drive the bike, guys, the motorbike. Guys, this is how things they are here. Don't mind. Sometime you know, to be a boy in the house, it's somehow hectic, you know. But I wanna wear this jacket. It's a long time, guys, without wearing this jacket. I think is the day. Guys, sorry for interruption, but I want to wear my jacket right now because outside somehow cold, you know. Sometimes when you ride a bike, you need to protect yourself, you know. Ow. I forget to carry my phone. Ay, what a crazy day. But it is what it is, guys. Sorry for interruption. Guys, I'm wearing my jacket, guys. Don't mind. Oh man, I'm wearing my jacket, guys. I'm wearing my jacket, guys. All right, now guys, I'm okay. So I'm supposed to take the key for my motorbike, or where I keep it from, just over here. So guys, it's time to escort my mom to the church and my brother, and then after that I'll take that family to the shopping or to the marketplace, guys, known as Mabera Market, guys. So stay tuned. When I'm getting outside, you'll see me, guys. Guys, finally I'm outside, so I wear the jacket, that being said. So my family is waiting me outside, and from here to the church, it's a long distance, so I need to escort them. But guys, I'm supposed to go to church, but because of that issues, so I'm supposed to do earlier as much as possible, because it's good to support each other. As long as my family believe in God, went to church every day, every Sunday, that is it. And if you are Roman Catholic, guys, you have already known. Ayaka, that's my sister. My brother, oh, my mama. So guys, I'm escorting my family to the church, guys. Guys, after that, imagine one of my brother, they're working at Nastos place, so I'll take him the tea. Right, so let's go, guys. Wow, guys, so finally our journey continued, guys, up the church. See at my back, although we have too much of the sun. Let's go. Wow. Guys, we're fully outside. Wow, guys. Oh, guys, this is near Bohans right now. Actually, I have my family here, so I'm passing here, guys. You know, this is near Bohans village to the world. This is how it looks like. It's a small village, but a popular, famous to the world. Look. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Left here. Heading this way, guys. Wow, guys, people are going to the church. Imagine. It's a beautiful day, guys, ever. You see, guys? See, guys, there. What does that have been about that? That was a teddy bear was. Eh? I'm thought it's a kingui sungu, Rigo. Eh, to Kadi Hebrew. Go ahead and start. Dude, guys, I need to escort them and I'll show you the church. Yeah. For the first time, maybe you see me escorting my family to the church. There's a time I went to other side, it's Mania, but my mom might get to other side here. But at the back of the guy, I can cover the code. Guys, the church is right there. You see? Wow. Metavano uko yako sawa? Hey. What is it? This is the church here. Okay, mom. Yeah? Bye.
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 Nipe chai. Okay, sister, bye. Wow. So, guys, I'm supposed to take this stuff to my brother because he was working at Nastos place. So, sometimes it's good maybe to work and look for the money. So right now, hey. Guys, I can't vlog because I hold the tea here on a small thermos flask right here. You see? Right here, guys. So my mama gave me to drop this to my brother, and actually after that I'll film the video while I'm going on that family. Wow, guys. Hey, today's today, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see where I'm heading to. But I've already told you I'm heading to Nastos place. I want to see my brother, so I take for him some breakfast, guys. guys, finally here we go. Let's go. Hey, hey. But I remember, guys, on today's videos, I want to surprise one of the family, and I will see on the video, guys. I made the videos. I promise you guys one day I will surprise that kid and take the family to the hotel on a Christmas day. So you wait for today. For today, guys, I buy the clothes for the kids, and on Christmas day that I've been saying, it's next week, I'll take that family to the hotel, guys. I'm promising you guys. I feel so bad at the same time, you know. So probably let's thank Almighty God. Everything shall happen in good way, guys, you know. I done with my free heart, you know. Wow, let's go. Let's go. But guys, remember, I'm heading to Nastor's place. I want to check my brother. At the same time, I'm going to look that family, especially for the kids. Right now, imagine, guys, even I saw Nastor's car here. Nastor's car. So that's Nastor's car, guys. Oh. Hey. Guys, finally I'm here at Nastor's place. This is my brother here. Say hello.
Hello.
How was everything?
This is right. Yeah, working
You cut?
on the side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
This is
you
your
want to
tea.
see how I'm cutting?
Yes. So they're arranging this called caravat. So in what is running from that trench, it's passing here. So to avoid maybe distraction for Nastor's property, like flower garden and everything. You cut? Yeah. Baba banga gonchera muni mbebere. Yoro aswali. You see, guys, as my brother known as Ben, by the name Ben.
Yeah, I'm an engineer. Cutting here fingers.
Engineer is this one here. You are a handyman. No. A monto are a engineer. No.
I'm learning to be an
Yeah. You cut. Mchaba no hakaba kama mukari. Awe wani. Musacha mu. You cut.
So I'm learning to be an engineer.
for the road and construction. Don't be crazy, bro.
House construction.
Eh, the balance stones. Eh, lego uno hata mrakoroge ni richembe. Hiyo.
Iko sawa. Hii inaishia hii hata mtaongeza.
Mtaongeza unafikiri nini?
Kwanza unaona nguvu dogo hivyo. Hiyo aina ndogo inaendaga nyingi sana.
See guys, they're constructing this stuff here.
Ona, endea moja.
This is Nastor's place, guys.
Ujitayarishe bado kwa
Wako ndani? Hapa siwezi ingia. Huwezi ingia kumjua mtu Jerusalem.
So very soon I will be engineer. As you can see.
Lakini hai matarengani hano.
Oh,
Sawa sawa.
Arengani unaweza kata sasa.
Ndio bibi na nakumbuka gani mkuru fulani.
Iko mama sumena ngogo okay.
all right.
Yes.
Think is okay.
Well, guys, let's continue with my vlog, guys. And guys, if maybe somebody walk to like Nastor's place, they want be given some food. Right now, let me show you guys. You see, Nastor's brought bread here, tea. At the same time, I had my brother's tea. Well, guys, so right now, I'm just over here. Actually, like, I was coming from Nastor's place. And guys, in case you're new here, go and check. It's underscore Nastor and Mrs. Flay. Actually, they're a nice couple, and they were being given like breakfast to my brother and the Mason. I saw them. They were being given that, and actually, baby, I had my brother some tea. So as long as the good thing about people in my village here, when you walk to somebody or to somebody's place, you wanna be given breakfast, lunchtime, and you get the money, completed money. So right now, I'm just over here, and actually I'm going to check the family right there, guys. I left my bike here, and actually, guys, let's see whether I can find them. And on today's videos, it depends how we flow with vibe, guys. So they were being rented here, and I'm supposed to check them, guys. Odi, guys, tricky situation. Nobody's here. Nobody's here, guys. Look, nobody's here. So I can't hide anymore, so I'll make sure that I look for them. And on behalf of myself, I was making some promise to the kids. So I'm supposed to buy them clothes. Like I will never hide anymore, and I do for from my bottom of my heart for free, guys. You know, I feel so bad when somebody when I put something on table and maybe somebody sleep hungry, kids no clothes, and I wear the clothes. Like I have 2 clothes or 3 clothes, so I'm supposed to give 1 cloth to somebody else. So guys, right now maybe they migrate to other side, so I'll make a research right now, guys. So I will make sure I will look for them. So because this is a promise, and guys, you don't want me to say, oh hello baby, you promised that kid that you're going to maybe to buy them clothes. Why not? For me, I'm not blagging things, guys. For sure, I'm straightforward. So right now, I don't know where they migrate to, but when I have the bike, I'll look for them. I'll look for them because right now, maybe God sent me to do this. God sent me to do this. They were support to my family, like they were support to my sister with Christmas clothes. Let's support the kids with the Christmas clothes, guys. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and I'm supposed to wear the jacket because when I'm riding, it's somehow cold. Wow. Enjoy my vlog till the end. Subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos to your family. So your brother Hello Baby is outside. If you're my sister, I'm outside. If you're mom and dad, your son, it's outside chasing the dream like crazy. But dreams are valid as long as you believe in God. Nothing is impossible, guys. For me, I feel so good, so grateful. Like more success is coming toward my family, and for me, I will share to the next generation, to the next family. Why not, guys? Why not? But let's look for them, guys. On today's videos, it's a surprise by itself toward this family, guys. I'm trying to look that couple, and I'll try to make it in a better way, guys. Wow. Stay tuned. We shall meet when I meet them, guys. Be blessed. Well, guys, so today it's a tricky situation, to be honest. For me, I looked at those guys. So actually, I need to support the kids by buying clothes, and actually they have both 2 kids, guys, and we are now at the Christmas time, guys. Advise me, should I go to buy those clothes and I bring to them maybe tomorrow? But I see the weather, so right now technically let me wear the jacket. And I went to buy those clothes since morning. I didn't get them, so I don't know where they were heading to. And man, I make a lot of research here and there, so actually at the same time I feel like it's so headache looking somebody else, no phone call. It's so hectic, and I see the rain is coming. So I'm back at home actually, guys. So right now I supposed to look that guy again. Imagine, guys, since morning I didn't see them, and like I promising them, so I don't want to maybe like to keep like a bad promise. It's a good promise, and I say in front of you guys, I suppose to buy that young boy some clothes and maybe shoes, and likewise to the small her small sister, his small sister. Kiorego. Kiwakare. Guys, every time when I'm at home here, I came to greet my grandma. Ntana maino anakata kula mahindi. Kwantu mana goe. Kono garota kuli bintu biko. Yeah, guys, my grandma give me the maize over there, and I'm telling her I didn't eat like hard stuff, as you know, guys. So but asante woko. Yeah, guys, I say thank you, because even her, she feels so bad when maybe giving me like maize. But recently time I was eating maize, sugar cane. Nowadays, guys, I can't eat sugar cane, like hard food, maize, you know, like bone meat. I don't want to eat those one. I eat only like lungs, liver, things like that, soft meat. And my main, like the most food that I can eat like meat, maybe fish, guys, because fish, it's soft, you know. I go net and I go carry and I time. Oh, guys, actually, guys, advise me on the comment section, you know, so I don't want maybe like bragging things here and there. So actually after this I want to rush to Mabera right now, because I see the weather is so bad, and I want to do it. Let me go and buy those clothes. Maybe I will give tomorrow on camera, because I know the size of the boy and her sister actually. So let's go. Let me take the jacket, guys. But at the same time, advise me, guys. Advise me. That's my grandma home over there. So actually I was coming from my grandma home over there. Let's go. Yeah. Taramore. Yeah. Oh, guys. So let's see. And that being said, like this next week from tomorrow, maybe I'll take my sister to the saloonists. Hey, guys, you see my hair of my sister. So they were being removed, and maybe tomorrow I'll take her to the saloonists making hair. Anyway, guys, we have birds here. We have birds, man. And it makes this place to look dirty. Wow, we have birds here, man. We have birds. Let me show you. Look, it brings a lot of waves down here. Look, you see there? You heard? Oh man, right there, guys. Anyway, let me wear again the jackets, and I'm supposed to run to Mabera right now, guys. I want to buy those clothes, and technically I'm so grateful, guys. I want to do it right now, but advise me. Maybe when I don't want to buy for the kids clothes, and maybe one of you will comment, hello baby, you promise the kids for somewhere else that we're going to buy for them clothes, and why don't you do it? But right now, guys, even God will know. I just looking for them since morning up to now. I didn't found them, but I had some clue that I saw them here and there. So let's buy the clothes, guys. Let's buy the clothes right now, guys. So stay blessed as I going to the market. Advise me accordingly, guys. Advise me. Oh, guys. So right now I'm keep going, but I found one of our close neighbor, so I supposed to give him a special ride up to Mabera. And guys, for me, let me buy those clothes, and I know the size for their kids. Yeah. Now, guys, I was escorting one of our neighbor, and actually right now, guys, I'm heading to Mabera right now, because I know the size for their kids. So for now, let me purchase the clothes, and maybe for the firstborn, I'll buy for him some shoes and clothes. So guys, maybe advise me, am I doing the right way? I bought right now some clothes because on Monday it's not a market day, on Tuesday it's not a market day, so on Wednesday it's a market day in Nyabohansi at evening. So I supposed to buy those clothes, and maybe when I found them tomorrow I'll make a video, but right now, guys, I just keep the promises holy. Wow. So that's how I go, guys. And the rain is coming, but let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Wow, guys, sorry for the windy, guys, but really sorry from out. Guys, we have too much windy, but I'm sorry for that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry. Whoa. Too much of the windy, guys. How am I going to do? But anyway, guys, guys, sorry, we have too much of the windy. What's up? It's a crazy situation by itself. And anyway, guys, I'm going right now to the market. You will see my vibe. Yeah, like I feel like let's buy the clothes, and for me, I promised them, but they forget. So today it's a day. Wow, that's Matat. Look, another one. Oh man, I personally, as a hello baby, let's perform my own duty, and I do it. For me, I wanna have clean hand, guys, for helping each other. So I don't want to be jealous. Somebody's missing clothes, somebody sleeping hungry, and I have maybe a little food. Like, let's share. And maybe today, I don't know, tomorrow, I'll make a video by giving them the clothes, guys. We'll see. Nice lady. Wow. Imagine from home up to I'm going to the market, it's a distance by itself, guys. Whoa. Yeah. Mind those that tractor, it's carrying a Coca-Cola soda. It's a company tractor itself. So over here we have the bridge. There's the bridge, guys, right there, right. Even the sign, it shows you. You see? At the back. Anyway, guys, we shall meet when I reach at the market, guys. My neighbor is there, right there, guys. So I left my bike here. So I want to make the shopping right now. Wow, up. We're jacket yangu up. Supposed to left my jacket, but anyway. What? Oh, guys. Umatebingu chane. Wapi? Ni yake tu hata. With my jacket there, guys. No, I put where I know. So let's go. Wow. Imagine, guys, I came on this local maybe shop market. On the other side, it's a place where they sold maybe where they sold we calling cow, sheep. Lakini bab, don't trichagete. No, that's what I'm rubuche. So guys, on the other side they sold cow, goat, sheep, hen, and on the other side they sold clothes, shoes. So it's just like it's a local market which serve the community here, guys. Wow. Guys, for me I feel so good when I support each other, you know, in terms of food, in terms of like generally, let me say, basic need, food, clothes, and shelter. But right now, a little man that I have, for now, let me support maybe in terms of clothes. Well, guys, let me take you to the shop right now. I'm telling you. Oh guys, let's do it for the first time maybe. Wow. Let's go this way, man. It's the local shop here. Let's do it. People are so congested here and there because it's a Christmas vibe, you know. It's a Christmas vibe. Let's see. It's a Christmas vibe, man. Wow. I'm heading this way, guys. Wow. Hey. but we managed to pass here and there. Wow. Now the market's so congested here and there. Here and there. It's a market day at the same time. It's a Christmas day, guys. I'm telling you. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. Guys, sorry for the noise. Wow, guys. Christmas vibe. You see, guys, here and there. You see people here and there buying clothes. Wow. So for now, guys, let me look for the clothes. Wow. These are purely hats from Hello Baby, guys. I'm just to do I myself, and let's see, guys. It's a market vibe. Let's see, guys. And the rain is coming right now. See, let's buy those kids' clothes right now here. Let's see. At least the nice one clothes. No, what's up? No, what's up? Vinyasa rongi.
Vinyasa hapa ni 200, 220, 200, 180 kwa 150.
100 ziko wapi?
100. Kila mtu iko na bei.
Na hapa?
Hiyo ni 180. Kuna tight ndefu za black.
Guys, I know the size for that kids. Okay. Let's do it, guys. This one. Okay, I think on the no, this one. What I think that one is okay. Hi. Guys, I do for the free heart, guys. Like, God is the one who know, maybe, and support that kid right now. Why not? Even the shorts. Okay. And I know the size of the young girl is for her baby. Is that the small baby? Oh, this is her small baby, guys. The baby girl. Her small baby girl. And when the money remaining, guys, I supposed to buy the sweater for the maybe heavy rain. Na utanichagulia pale za msichana mdogo like wa miezi mingapi? Mwenye anakaa. Hizo 1000. Toza 100 tuone ziko wapi. Ona, za 100 ni gani? 2, 3, 5. Hiyo ni 500, si ndio?
Na hii 150, 300, 200.
Okay, rudisha hizi. Tuende pale Simba.
Pana rudisha hiyo. Sio.
Ukiweka hivi zitakuwa shilingi ngapi?
700.
Ona.
Wamenipea pesa kweli.
500 sasa.
T-shirt.
Achana na ukiweka na kinyasa itakuwa shilingi ngapi?
Kutuuza hapa. Acha jina wauzi.
Ina hii kinyasa? Kote. Kunye bare. Kuhoyara nani? Na hapa ni shilingi ngapi? Wewe umesema 50 hapa? That's it. So guys, I want to buy more as I can for the hapa ameniambia 50 si ndio? For the sweaters. So nitafutie za msichana anti. Tikobo bebe, hey. Za msichana mwenye anakaa. Hey, for the heavy like.
Miezi ngapi?
Anakaa tu yule ni kama ni miezi 6. Tafuta tu hadi dress. So guys, right now I'm looking for the small girl child. Tavu skirt hivi. Si kama ako sawa. Naona hii. Yana rakenere mo.
Wamekupatia? Ndio macho kusema nataka trouser 200.
Hapo amewalipa.
Hapo amenilipa niliacha nikakuja kuona.
Hizo zimefika shilingi ngapi? Ikifika 300 tuseme.
Ni pamoja na hii.
Na hii.
Hizi nilikuwa nimewafungia za 100 ziko 5. Utapiga tu hesabu pamoja. Hii ni ya mtoto kweli.
Weka tu. Atafuta na kasweta kazito. Guys, right now I'm buying for the girl child. Hapo hivi 500.
500.
Hapo.
100. 2 3.
Hizo ni 100? 300. 800. So nitafutia kasweta. Kama mtoto mdogo.
Hata kwa Angola.
Hiyo hiyo rano moke. Hii ni shilingi ngapi? Yakani. 100. Nataka moja. Haya piga hesabu.
900. Uko 900. Uko 400.
Hiyo ni 400. Okay, that's for the small kid baby. Right now. Chochi baire. 400. 400. Hizo tutapunguza. Need to pay. 400. Hesabu na hizi kana.
Hizo ni kama kufanya ngapi?
100.
100.
Like kama kuna short
1 2 3 4
5. Hiyo ni 500. Tafuta vinyasa hapo za 50.
5. Hiyo ni fungi za 5.
Sasa hii funga za 200 shati.
200.
Chagua nzito tu shati. Okay. Si hapo tumemalizana. Tafuta vinyasa sasa. Hapo vya 50.
Hapo. Kuna vinyasa.
Si kama vinaweza kuni. Hata longi. Guys, we choose more as we can. You know, I need the shorts for that boy. So we have another one other side. Hata longi tu kama hizi. This one is okay, guys, right now. Whoa. Zimekuwa 100. Sasa si mtanipa kipepsi jamaa. Ange kipepsi. No. Era murini levei. So nitafutia kipepsi basi. Dama tokore kipepsi naendelea kununua wangu. Tokore kipepsi gei.
Hata 13
Like I think that one, guys, it can serve that kid as I do more as I can, guys. Una 52. Oh. Tafuta hata kinyasa humu kana havini. Hata nzito kidogo. Wow, guys. One here. Yule ni mdogo mno. For me, guys, so guys, it's time to pack, and I'll take maybe by tomorrow, because since morning I found them, I didn't get, guys, you know. So unaonyesha Kiswahili monsema kama hivyo. Okay. Sawa. Lakini ambandi vipi ora once. Igahara 200 sure. Ama ni Christmas season.
Christmas. Iko amani shilingi Nairobi shilingi sapochi.
Toranso bandir. Guys, it's full of clothes. Tata mekigabu mbikipia. Yeah. Tatu kipepski. Thank you. Toriga sasa. Ke. Ya takira ambra sasa hano hai hands. Ma hano hai hands. Anda iko pa haku bigibi. Kana tuengo moga ko yoroge ogorege 10. Na imekuchangia 1.
Nairobi ile karibu na siri.
Let's.
Katias.
Umane wangu yako ibintu bine. Mahora menyero baby hara. Gukuranke wankumurige ande. Taho.
Baby.
Kuna siku nilipita pale mtoto wake akasema hello, bwana.
Bwana, umefanya lakini hamunyori.
Labda ichonkyo.
Hamunyori hata na nyara ringere.
Ngora kitaka kabina ni bisuko basi.
Hey. Haya. Haya. Guys, it's time to go back home, but for me, I made the shopping just over here. Like, I could end my video because I didn't film them. I will try tomorrow early in the morning, and which is a good thing, but I'm just keep the promises holy promise. Wow, this is how market looks like at large. See, guys, here and there. It's a Christmas time. People buying clothes, buying food. What are you better, Bob?
Yeah. Very good. God bless you.
Okay, amen.
God bless.
Okay, amen. Yeah. Maybe when there's something mess like a shoes, I'll do it on Tuesday. I'll buy that boy some shoes to enjoy the Christmas days. Wow.
Kuna wale ambao wana vipere vingi tu, na katikati ya miguu yote miwili unachokuta kwamba unawashwa sana. Rafiki yangu mwanamke.
Guys, I'm telling you, the market was being congested here and there, so it's hectic. Wow. Let's go, guys. Right guys, so right now here I have the clothes, so maybe we'll see by tomorrow morning on videos guys. So here, you know, I want to keep the promise as whole as much as possible, and I left my bike on the other side guys, because I don't want to drive buying clothes here and there. Dora nyori mata bora. Wow, so it's time to go back home, and the rain is kind of like crazy guys. How am I going to do? Wow. Let's do it guys. So the rain is coming like crazy, but inside here, that being said, I have the clothes for both two kids, and the firstborn, he was a boy, the secondborn, he was a child girl, and it's reminding me when I have my sister at home, you know. So the way I support my sister, let me do it for the first time guys, you know. But advise me on the comment section guys. What do you think about in the comment section guys? So for now maybe I will tie them or not yet guys. I will look for the best way. So I left my neighbor because he was working here as a security officer. So guys, I'm heading back home, and it's raining time. Look, so I'm supposed to rush right now, and I have those clothes for the kids, both of two of them. And actually guys, I made a video, so I promised them I will surprise the kids, and on Christmas Day I will take them to the hotel. Guys, maybe it depends. When I get them right now, I'll give the clothes, but when I don't get them, I'll keep this clothes up tomorrow guys. Wow. So right now guys, I'm rushing to go back home because it's raining time guys. It's raining time, look. Wow guys, and over there we have the bridge. See? This is the bridge within here. But anyway, let's go. Guys, I'm driving slowly. So that being said, it depends when I get them, because in the morning guys I was looking them since morning, I didn't find them. When I get them right now, I'll give the clothes, but when I didn't get them, I'll do it tomorrow guys. But this one, it's a promise by itself, and for me, I just keep the promise whole. Wow. But guys, advise me on the comment section. Guys, right now it's raining time, and from now it's gonna rain guys, so I have the clothes here. So let me check once again guys. Odd, no one is here guys. Maybe I'll do a search by tomorrow guys. For me, I have the clothes for the kids, to be honest. So no one is here, and tomorrow I hope I will find them. I'll wake up early in the morning, I will find them guys, so stay tuned. So for now guys, even my baby is just right there, and I was coming from the market. For me, I just keep the promise as whole guys. So right now, let me keep these clothes up tomorrow. So on the part of the video you will see, guys. On the part of the video you will see, guys. Like, I'm not blagging things, you will see, guys. For me, this is her surprise. The surprise for both two kids. And I repeat this, guys, one more. On 25th, I'll take them to the hotel, guys, to enjoy the Christmas time, guys. Stay tuned, and more amazing videos coming, guys.